Dear students, this is Mansi Patel from Samarpan Gyan School, and today we are going to study Class 1 Maths Lesson number 3 Subtraction. This is last part of the subtraction, student. Okay, so we already go through with all this thing in our workbook. Like in here there is nothing to do. From here filling the blanks are started. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Like that you have to solve rest of the question. Next is story sum. In story sum, what is the question that you have to read very carefully? For example, the first question, 10 big fishes, 8 small fishes. How many fishes in all? Now in all, that is represent addition, that is plus. So 10 big fish, 8 small fish. So 10 plus 8, that is 18. So total 18 fishes are there. Ritika has 19 shells. She loses 9 shells. How many shells are left with Ritika? Now left, this word represent minus. So 19 shells first, then minus 9 because she lose. Okay, she lost 9. So 9 minus 9. If you are going to minus same number, what is the answer? Same number. 0 is the answer. And 1 directly come. So it is 10. Preeti has 16 toffees. She gave away 4 toffees. How many toffees left with her? So left is again represent minus. 16 minus 4. 6 minus 4, 2 and 1. So 12 toffees left with her. Rahul has 13 oranges. Sahil has 6 oranges. How many oranges with both? So it is again addition. 13 Rahul has, 6 Sahil. So total 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1. So it is 19. Like that you have to solve this rest of the 2 questions. Students, this is chapter checkup. It is basically your test of the whole lesson. First is just counting backward for addition, subtraction, sorry. Next is a simple subtraction. Fourth one is using number strip subtraction. Fifth one, filling the blanks by 3, 6 or 9 subtraction means 6 plus 3 to 9. 9 minus 3 to 6, like that. Last one is addition question, and this is just touching, that is lesson number 2. Our addition lessons touch we are going to do. So you have to solve this question also. Basically this is chapter checkup, so it is just your test. Next, maths lab activity. Student, this activity that you have to do at your home. Okay, you can see this red, no? This is basically bindis. You can see bindis that your mom put it over the head. So that bindi. So it is available easily at your home. Okay, so to provide concentrate experience, subtraction of the number within 20. Paper plate, you have to take a paper plate and self-sticking bindis. Self-sticking bindi and paper plate. Only 2 things you want. Next, preparation. Student work independently. This activity you have to do by your own only. No one will help you. Each of them has 1 paper plate and 20 bindis. You have 1 paper plate and 20 bindis. Now you have to solve 12 minus 1. How you will solve 12 minus 1? So first what you have to do, the student fold the paper plate into half. So you have to take a paper plate and you have to fold it from between. Okay, for example, if it is the paper plate, then you have to fold this paper plate into middle, from the middle. So it will become half like this. Okay, after folding, please unfold it. Okay, so after folding, you have to unfold. So you can see the two parts now. If you're going to press some no, so you will clearly see two parts. Okay, and then you have to put it on a table. 10 bindis are stuck one half of the plate. So at the one side you have to stick 10 bindis. Stick, it means up, you have to stick on 10 bindis one side, and other side you have to stick 2 bindis because it is 12 na. So you have to make 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Okay, so 10 and this side 2. Okay, you know already in first lesson we already learned this. It is 12, so you have to make it 10 plus 2 because one side there is 10 only. So you can see 12 and this side 2. The student remove 5 bindi starting from 2 because 5 we have to minus. So we are going to remove this side from single bindi na? So we have to start removing this side 5 bindis. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many bindi remaining, that you have to count and write. Okay, so this activity you have to do with this question. Suppose this is 13 minus 7. So one side there is 10 and other side there is a 3. And then I have to pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 after how many remaining, that is your answer. Understood? So you just want one paper plate and one bindi. If you don't have paper plate, then you can use this type of rough paper and you can stick it over. If you don't that also, so you can take your home that plate that you eat, so that is also fine. This is activity and that you have to do by your own. Next is mental maths. Mental maths that we already learn. 8 minus 7, so 1 is the answer. Like for example 5 minus 4, so 1 is the answer. 10 minus 9, so 1 is the answer, like that. Now you have to solve this. This is from lesson number 1, lesson number 2 and lesson number 3. All three of the questions are here. Suppose 18 minus 8, so 10. 7 plus 7, 14. 12 minus dash is equal to 10. So 12 minus 2, then you will get answer 10. 28, 2 is tens and 8 is ones. 16 minus 10, so it is 6. 3 tens and 8 ones, so it is 13. 1 more than 14, so more it means plus. So 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. Like that you have to solve rest of the question. Next is logical thinking, number sense. Draw sweets on the plate. Instruct. Use up the sweets in which. For example, you have 5 sweets, that is your 5 chocolates. Put one sweet on the first plate. Put rest off in the second plate. So first one, that is this red one, that I am going to put in this plate, and rest of the 4. So this 4 that I am going to put in this plate. Now with color you have to do this activity. Color you have to use. Every box there is an instruction. For example, you have 5 sweets. Put all but 2 on first. So only 2 that we are going to put in the first plate. Rest of the 3 third plate, second plate. Okay, so you have to draw the chocolate and you have to color it also so that we can differentiate. In this 2 also there is a which shape is same as the first one. Which shape is same as the first one. So here you can see this arrow. So this is not that shape. This is, yes, this is that shape because this is in this line and this is in this line. So these two are the same and same shape you have to color same. Suppose this is pink, so you have to do pink, or else red you can do. Like that you have to choose which shape is similar to this first one. Okay. And this is last question. Test yourself. Again, this is from lesson number 1, 2 and 3. You can see grapes of bunch 1, 2 and 3. So 3 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. Like that. Rewrite increasing order. because this is test your skill for chapter number 1, 2 and 3, how much you remember from last lessons. So I know you remember very well because recently we just passed the test PT1, so you revise everything, right? So you have to do this 6 of question. Okay, I know today there is a little much homework because next is Saturday, Sunday, that you can do at your home, right? So please student, be studying with a very concentrate mind. Okay, and rest of the time you can play. Thank you.